Welcome to the ZF Education Center. In this video, we will share with you when and why to inspect or replace a vehicle's shock or struts, and the benefits of doing so. The vehicle manufacturers have optimized the design of their cars and trucks to handle most any road condition while providing a comfortable ride, although safety is always a primary concern. Shocks and struts wear over time. Regular checks and the replacement of them to restore a vehicle's safety system to the original specifications may be necessary. A properly functioning shock or strut will control the car's handling, keep the tire in contact with the road, and have a comfortable, noise-free ride. If you experience unsafe handling behaviors, noises, or tire issues, it is suggested to inspect and/or replace your ride control components. When replacing shocks or struts, it is recommended that they be replaced in pairs. Now let's go over some of the key symptoms that you may be experiencing on your vehicle that would require the inspection and recommended replacement of your shocks or struts. If you hear any noises, such as popping, clunking, or creaking when going over bumps, braking, or turning, this is a good indication that your upper strut mount, bearing plate, or bearings are worn. The reason you may be experiencing these noises are because your components are not performing to their intended design, which is to promote smooth steering and reduce noises and vibrations. You may also be experiencing noises for other reasons. Clunking sounds can be related to not only the strut mounts or bearings as previously stated, but also because your shocks or struts are worn or bottoming out. When the shock or strut has lost its gas pressure or have leaked out oil, the safety and performance features of your shocks and struts have been compromised. The clunking sound may also be the cause of a deteriorated bump stop. When this occurs, it is highly suggested that the related components be replaced along with the shocks or struts. When you are driving and either brake suddenly experiencing nosedive or tire hopping, or accelerate quickly and experience rear squat, these are all important indications that the safety and performance functions of the shocks have deteriorated. The reason it would be recommended to replace them is because a shock or strut must be able to respond quickly when braking or accelerating in order to keep control of the tires to the road surface. If your car has over 50,000 miles on the original shocks or struts, you may want to consider the purchase of new shocks or struts. After 50,000 miles, shocks or struts may show signs of wear, performance functions have deteriorated, and the overall driving experience is not as controlled and smooth as the vehicle once was. If you notice excess wear on the tires or cupping of the tires, it may be suggested to replace the shocks or struts. Tire wear and cupping, which are high points and low points on the tire, have occurred because of lost performance of the shocks or struts or the vehicle's alignment being out of specifications. By having the shocks or struts checked for loss of performance or alignment issues, it can help to extend tire life. If you notice any puddles of oil on your garage floor or driveway near the wheels, that is a very good indication that you have a worn or blown shock or strut. It is suggested that a new pair of shocks be installed so that you are driving safely and to the manufacturer's intended expectations. When replacing shocks or struts, it is also recommended to inspect the bump stops and dust boots. If these items show signs of wear, such as tears, cracks, or deterioration of rubber, one should change these out as they are an integral part of a shock or strut's life cycle. The replacement of a SACHS shocks or struts rates a 3 on the qualification scale. To determine the proper part number, you should know the vehicle's make, model, and year. Other useful information would be if you have a special suspension package option, such as a sport suspension, touring suspension, or Nevomat. Your automotive parts store will have a SACHS catalog listing the replacement part numbers based on the vehicle's make, model, and year. They may also have interchanges to the original equipment number for verification. SACHS shock absorbers or struts are designed to meet or surpass your original equipment manufacturer's specifications, so you can be assured that the safety, quality, performance, and comfort of your vehicle was taken into consideration when SACHS manufactured them for your application in the aftermarket. In conclusion, when changing to your new SACHS shocks, struts, and related components such as strut mounts, bearings, bump stops, and dust boots, you should benefit from like-new driving characteristics and improved handling, better braking and vehicle control, reduced noises and vibrations, improve and extend tire tread life, reduced opportunities for corrosion and piston seal wear from outside factors such as salt, sand, gravel, and water when replacing your dust boot. Thank you for taking the time to view this informational video. Our intentions are to help educate you on the reasons for inspecting and changing ride control components. Please contact your authorized distributor or sales contact for more information. You can also find more information on our website at www.zf.com/us. You can also find ZF Aftermarket on Facebook and Twitter